Hey everyone, because of its appearance, the Blackview FORT 2 is one of those smartphones that instantly draws attention, rather than due to its specifications. This device distinguishes itself in a market where rugged phones typically adhere to a bulky, over-engineered design by opting for a different approach. It seems like a typical budget smartphone at first glance, but its exterior design suggests something much more futuristic and deliberate. The materials are precisely what one would expect from a safeguarded smartphone. The back is made of matte plastic that resists fingerprints, the sides feature metal elements, and the frame is covered in a rubberized material for impact protection and improved grip. However, the real surprise is just how slim the device is. It is only 10.7 millimeters thick and weighs 245 grams, which makes it feel surprisingly thin and light for a rugged phone. The Blackview FORT 2 is rated IP68 and IP69K, indicating that it is resistant to dust, dirt, high-pressure water jets, and complete immersion in water. The physical arrangement is simple and utilitarian. The upper edge is free of any components, while the lower edge contains a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and one speaker. It is worth mentioning that the charging port lacks a rubber flap cover, which enhances convenience, but could raise concerns for some users over time. The buttons for controlling the volume and the power are located on the right side. To the left, you will find a SIM tray and a programmable auxiliary button. The display aligns well with the phone's budget positioning. It has a 6.56-inch display with HD resolution, a refresh rate of 90 Hz, and a peak brightness of about 450 nits. A small LED notification indicator close to the front camera is a nice touch, as many contemporary phones have done away with it. The Helio G81 processor, a reliable but modest chipset limited to 4G connectivity, handles performance. The benchmark results confirm its budget nature, indicating that it is not designed for demanding gaming. A significant benefit is the incorporation of NFC. The fingerprint scanner built into the power button is dependable, albeit not the fastest, and functions consistently. The battery has a capacity of 5,000 mAh and supports charging at 18 watt. When streaming videos over Wi-Fi at moderate brightness, the battery drains about 5% each hour, which is considered reasonable. For the price, the memory configuration is generous. The Blackview FORT 2 features 8 gigs of RAM, options for 128 or 256 gigs of internal storage, and the ability to expand virtual RAM by up to 16 gigs. In terms of software, the phone operates on Android 15 with Blackview's Dock OS 5 interface. The interface has been updated compared to previous versions, featuring refreshed visuals and customization options. The camera's performance can be characterized as functional. The phone is equipped with a 16-megapixel rear camera and a 13-megapixel front-facing camera. Ultimately, Blackview FORT 2 seems to be a device constructed with a specific concept in mind. Putting great emphasis on design and form factor, the manufacturer designed a smartphone that is robust yet looks really cool, and that stays slim and easy to use. It does not aim to rival others on the basis of performance or camera quality, but it provides reliable protection, NFC capabilities, call recording, contemporary software, and a unique design, all at a price that is more than fair. Whether as a secondary phone, a work device, or a fashionable, rugged choice for daily use, it presents a compelling argument for its value. The fact that it is designed in such a way that it will be distinctive in a group of people is reason enough for many users to select it. Thanks for watching. Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.